It's getting dark out here and it's hard to see. You probably can't see me. I got a couple gobblers roosted up high here and one behind. Let's see if we can get them to gobble. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, those two are right there. There's 4 gobblers up on this ridge. We got them nailed down. Doesn't mean anything though, cause roosted ain't roasted, that's for sure. But hey, we're gonna give it a go in the morning when we get up. We'll go up on that mountain there and try to kill one. Okay, got Eli and Cass with me, and we roosted these birds last night. We're gonna go up here and just get set up on them. Opening day, West Virginia 2025. I think I've done this a year or two. I'm 53 and I've been doing this since I was 11 years old. I've seen a couple opening days. So we had 4 birds roosted out this ridge last night, and we're gonna just sneak up here and get in place and go see what happens. There's 2 over this way, I'm telling you. The minute we try to go to those, we're gonna jump to.
Now the ones gobbler, are they already off the roost or are they still up there?
They're up in the tree. Woo! 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 We're trying to get in here closer to these birds. My hearing may have been off a touch last night, and they're actually further out this ridge. So we're coming up on another low gap. We're gonna owl it, and then possibly get set up right in here. Woo, 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 woo! On the point. And then there's 2 on this side. Woo, 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 woo! Now they think I'm on the ground. Now it becomes a patience game. I see turkey. I see a big gobbler way out the ridge. He's coming out the ridge road towards us. That's them. Just be patient. There's 2 of them.
Yeah, should go ahead and pull her hammer back?
Wait till they get out of sight, okay? I'll tell you. I'm gonna go quiet on them. They're coming. If I call now, they're gonna look for me. They're gonna just stop right there and strut if I call. one strutting, the back one, now he's walking towards us. He's strutting. They want me to call back and I'm not doing it right now. See, they know they should maybe see her, so that's why they're stopped right there strutting. That's what you call hanging up. They're hung up right now. And if you play this wrong, they'll be stuck there all day. Here they come. They're taking a couple steps our way. Scratching like a hen. There they go. See them? Now if they keep walking the road, they're going to pop up right here, right in front of them. Can you see them? I see them, they're staying on the road. Pull your hammer back. Eli. Point. Get in your red dot scope. Aim it right down the road. They're going to come up right over these sticks right here. By shooting. No. That was close, but I want to show you what we found. Oh, I hate to do this to you, Kassidy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 18, 20. 20 yards. He was right here, wasn't he? JC. Crossbow bolt. 16. I got my lucky broadhead back.
They came in for
180.
yeah, I don't think it's gonna shoot that far.
I've killed 2 deer and a turkey with that broadhead. And JC shot through her 8-point buck up through its top. And this is where it ended up. She was 75 yards up there.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to go get after another gobbler. We're going to go that way towards the timber cut. And Eli knows there's turkeys back there.
She'll let me shoot more.
We're walking back into another spot where there's a lot of turkey sign. You always hear a lot of birds. It's only 7 o'clock on opening morning. And we had a little talk with Cass. I mean, she's disappointed, but it's part of turkey hunting. You're gonna miss. And a new hunter, first time ever in that situation, on a West Virginia mountain bird, pops up right in your face at 16 yards. She handled it really well, other than the killing part, which it happens. And we ain't getting down. We're gonna go find another one to shoot him in the face. So, we were just talking. Probably should have put this on video earlier. But I was explaining to Kassidy why it goes quiet like this when there's so many turkeys gobbling on the roost. And that's because they have hens with them. They're hitting the ground. They're strutting, displaying for the hens. Now, the 2 birds we just called in were probably 2-year-olds or 3-year-olds. They're satellite birds. And they're going to go from point to point. They're going to strut a little bit. They're going to gobble. They're going to walk to the next one. And then she said, are they smart? The turkey's one of the dumbest birds you'll ever find. But the difference between him and us, even though his brain's like this big around, he uses every millimeter ounce of that brain to survive. And we only use half of ours. So they're just tuned to survive. They're not really that they're smart. They just react so well. They come up, they see, okay, there's not a hen here. What was I hearing? Because he's tuned to be, you know, when he pops up and he heard a hen, there should be a hen there. And then he's going to strut and display, and she's going to come to him. But when they don't see that hen, especially here in the east, they're gone. Yeah. Now, I don't know. I have bad luck in the woods with decoys. I got a hen decoy in the 4-wheeler. I could have put one there. Maybe it would have made him come right up. But those sneaker birds usually don't come up. They usually look, and they're like, oh, she's not moving. I don't like the looks of her. Gone. But, yeah. So we are going against biology. The turkeys gobble. They attract hens. They gobble and strut. We're trying to call them to us, which is exactly opposite the way the good Lord intended it. So, but geese, always a good time to listen for turkeys. So as I was walking through here, I noticed the leaves sticking up. You all see it? Yeah. I know you all does. You want to uncover it? There you go. That's called a snakehead. You can pinch it off and put it in the bag. Starting to find some different morels. The last one was a poplar morel. This is a snakehead. And there's another place right up here. I found 50 of those last year in one little spot. Eli said, whoa, right here. You're about to step on me.
Yeah.
So, I mean, you find 4 or 5 at a time when it's dry. You're doing good. So, another one to pick. That's a gray morel, and it's just Been up for a few days, but it's still flavorful.
Yeah, I can say I found my first one for the season.
There we go.
I can't believe you didn't see that.
Yeah, I was looking ahead. Right there's an elm tree. You got grapevines. Good indicators. We're gonna keep walking. I think we're starting to find just a few snakehead morels right now. There's Kassidy with one. Eli's getting a few right here. There's this. Oh, right here's one.
Yeah, there's one.
Yeah. So there's quite a few around this tree. Right here, you got it? Yeah.
There's one.
Yep. I see it sticking up between those, to the left of that rock. You see it?
No.
Straight ahead of you.
Straight ahead of your toes. A foot from the log. You got it yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
I got
That's up
5.
there. There's an eastern box turtle. And he's mostly yellow. He's beautiful. Yeah, that's a pretty box turtle. He's almost all yellow.
Yeah, that's a real pretty one.
There she is, right in front of you, sticking her head up. Out in front of you at the bush. just gonna have to wait till they separate a little bit because they're in a group now. Can you get on that back one? Right on his head? You got him. You got him. Good job. There's one out there, Chrissy.
I'm waiting till you can get. Oh, he's right there.
What in the world?
It's not what on.
Must be a bad shell. Yeah. Put that in there, hand it to her. You got him. You got him. Good job. There's one out there, Chrissy.
I'm waiting till you can get. Oh, he's right there.
What in the world?
It's not what on.
Must be a bad shell. Yeah. Put that in there, hand it to her. Yeah. That. No, they're still too close. You got it.
Are they too close?
Yeah. That. No, they're still too close. You got. Well, we're walking out here to see what we got going on. Oh, I'm gonna film. Just. What do you think, Cassie?
Exciting.
Oh, okay, we did good.
Oh.
Cassie, Chrissy. All right.
That's on his neck. I can't do that. That's on his neck.
I want to tell you, they weren't gobbling this morning. The one gobble we got on camera is it. And, wow. Wow. There you go, Kassidy.
Look how long his beard is.
That's a pretty good Jake beard. These were early hatch ones. That second one in
Oh, it's
line,
heavy.
he's good. How heavy is yours, Mom? Oh, yours is heavier. I'm gonna rename this road up here. Hey, that's Joy of Turkey thing right there. Let's see what Chrissy was telling you about last night. See those feathers?
Uh-huh.
See how the side ones don't?
They're like shorter.
Mm-hmm.